bad enough with my lines.
Thinking about giving your bathroom a fresh new look? Then you've come to the right place. But where do you start? Today, we'll be talking to Yanni of Bespoke Bathrooms, who has 15 years experience as a bathroom installer. Yanni will walk us through the essentials, including what questions you should ask, what to know about bathroom installs, and what not to forget. So, whether you're considering a minor update or a complete overhaul, let's dive in and hear what someone in the know has to say. What got you into bathroom refits?
I was doing a lot of property maintenance and I always liked the bathrooms. I always found them to be the most interesting rooms in the house, really.
How long have you been doing this?
16 years plus.
What's your favourite part of the job?
Second fix, final stages of the job when you start bringing everything together and putting all the items in.
What's the weirdest or most memorable job you've ever done?
I did a job where the homeowner was really just up for anything. So we had Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling, we had a glass sliding door that you open with a push of a button, your body jets, yeah, everything was going on in that bathroom.
What's your favourite tool?
Hard question, but I'll go with anything with a battery. That means I don't have to have any cables around me.
Is it better to get one person in or hire different people for each job?
I would say having one person or a company. If you've got one person that can do it all competently, then that's a good way to go, or one company.
What's the first thing to ask before hiring a bathroom installer?
I think you want to know how long they've been doing this for.
What's the best way to tell if someone's any good?
By checking their previous work, looking at reviews, maybe getting reviews if you know someone that's used them before.
Do qualifications matter?
Yes, with some trades more so than others. Electrics, plumbing, you need to be qualified. In the other trades you can be qualified, but experience is really important.
What are the different reasons for bathroom refits?
So a lot of them we do disability bathrooms where someone's got a disability and they need to change the bathroom environment. Another one is because of leaks. A lot of people have leaks in their showers, from the toilets, so that's another reason. And another one would be just for aesthetics. Someone's moved into a house and they want to put their own stamp on it.
If I've decided I want a new bathroom, what happens next?
You get in touch with us, we'll come over for a home visit. We'll talk through the options and see what it is you want. And if you want, we'll do a 3D render and then we'll provide you with a quote.
Is there a right order for things to happen?
Yeah, definitely. We'd always come in and protect your floors and then do your strip out and get rid of everything that's in there already. And then we'd progress on to things like services, structural stuff if that needs doing, and then on to the finishing trades.
How long does a typical bathroom install take?
Between 2 and 3 weeks.
Will I be without a bathroom for the whole install?
Yes, you're going to be definitely without your shower and your bath. Don't expect to use that. But with your toilet, we can always put that back in at the end of the evening if that's your only toilet.
What's something people always forget to plan for?
I'd say accessories, toilet roll holders, even paint sometimes. Paint colour sometimes is the last thing to be chosen.
What's one small upgrade that makes a big difference?
Painting the walls, that can really make a huge difference. Change of colour, and it's relatively cheap and easy to do. I mean, you can see here, they've had a leak from the gutter outside and it's seeped through the walls, so it's all been stripped off, it's been left to dry out, and yeah, we can put that right.
What's a realistic budget for a mid-tier bathroom job?
If you start at 12k, you'll be good.
Should I supply my own materials or let the installer do it?
Leave that to the builder and they can always point you in a place for buying your tiles and buying the rest of the bathroom stuff.
Where do people try to cut corners?
With installers, they want to go to the bottom sometimes, and get the lower costing builder to do the work, and that's not always the best choice. You want to choose someone that's very experienced because it's a very specialist room that has to be done right.
In your opinion, wet room or three-piece suite?
Wet room.
How can I avoid being stung by unexpected costs?
Speak to your builder, ask them if there's anything that unexpected could happen and ask them what that might cost to put right, and so then you can put aside a contingency.
Tell us about this bathroom you installed.
This is a bathroom we installed 2 years ago. Yeah, we're really proud of this one. We designed this with the homeowner.
What are the fixtures or fittings that really stand out?
I'd say the bath and The book match feature tiles.
What are book match tiles?
Well, the book match tiles are a tile it's like a mirror effect basically. You can get that when you slice marble tiles in half and kind of open them up.
Tell us about this freestanding bath.
This is really heavy. This has been painted. This was sent away to be painted in the colour that the homeowner wanted. But it's really nice, really nice.
What were the challenges with this install?
Challenges, lots of challenges. One of them being bringing the bath up here. That took 3 of us. But other than that, really, this whole thing was just taken back to the shell. You've got a boiler in there. We had another wall here, so we had loads of plumbing everywhere. We had to do joist work as well. We had to replace some joists. So yeah, a lot went on in this one.
What should I think about when choosing bathroom fittings? Is it just about looks?
No, I would go for functionality first. It has to be practical and useful for you, and then go for looks.
Which smart tech make a difference in a bathroom?
Smart toilets are good ones. People seem to like them. They've come about in recent years. They can wash you and dry you.
Is underfloor heating in a bathroom worth it? And is it costly?
Definitely worth it. It does cost a little bit. It's not a huge amount and it keeps your toes nice and warm.
Vinyl or tiled flooring?
For me, tiled flooring.
Do bathrooms need extractor fans?
You should have an extractor in your bathroom. Good ventilation is very important. So you've either got to have an extractor or a big window in an existing dwelling. But all new builds have to have extraction.
What lighting should someone think about for a bathroom?
You've got your main task lighting, which could be down lights, and then you want to have some mood lighting.
Once the bathroom's done, what kind of aftercare do you recommend?
Always check your grout and your silicone, make sure that's all working and intact and doing what it should do. And then after that, you want to get your traps and make sure they're always cleaned.
What makes someone a great bathroom installer in your opinion?
Great experience and enthusiasm, and someone who likes what they do.
Do you prefer a shower or bath?
Shower.
Most underrated bathroom feature?
I would have to go with a niche, an alcove in the shower area so you can put all your bathroom products in there.
One piece of planning or budgeting advice you've not covered?
Tank the walls of your wet areas.
Thanks so much for today.
No problem at all, it was a pleasure.
So there you have it. Yanni's experience shows just how much there is to know about bathroom installations. If you're thinking about a bathroom install, head to the Checkatrade blog for guides, costs, plus checked and reviewed installers near you. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more expert home improvement advice. See you in the next one.